What's happening, everybody? So it is that time. It was supposed to be the 15th, but I got busy and I totally forgot about you guys. So now it's the 16th, and we're going to go ahead and choose the winner for the Super Clean bundle. Now, super awesome of Super Clean to super do this for Super Us, but you get the picture. So let's get right into it. We'll head over, we'll randomly pick a winner, and you guys will see that real time. All right, let's go. Okay, so we have gone ahead and entered all of your comments into little boy George here. And all we have to do is hit the start button and we are going to choose our winner. So here we go. All right, looks like Nick Lins is the winner. Nick, I will be getting in contact with you. I actually have your email. I'll get in contact with you. We'll get all your information. We'll get that out to Super Clean, and you will have yourself a wonderful Super Clean bundle. So congratulations to you. And yeah, let's get on to some other things at hand. Congratulations to Nick Lins. He is the winner of our Super Clean product bundle. Nick, you're going to be receiving a lot of really cool stuff. We got the Super Clean all-wheel cleaner, Super Clean foaming, Super Clean original, Super Clean aerosol, and the Super Clean absorbent. So you're going to be able to clean a whole ton of stuff. So thank you, all you guys who left comments and who participated in that video. It was really awesome. Huge thank you goes out to Super Clean. Without them, this wouldn't have been possible. So big thanks to those guys over there because they support us. So we want to support them. And in turn, we want to support you guys too. You know, this channel just isn't about myself and everybody else. It's about you guys as well. You know, getting you guys some good stuff and some cool stuff for helping us out by watching these videos. So, again, congratulations, Nick. Head on over to superclean.com. You can find a list of stores where this stuff is available. It's available at most of your auto parts stores. It's available at Walmart. It's available at pretty much everywhere. So you can go out, buy the stuff. It works incredibly well. Otherwise, I wouldn't be promoting this stuff on my YouTube channel. But now, on to something a little bit different. All right, so a little bit different. You guys never hear me plugging any merch or shirts or hats or whatever. And the reason is a couple reasons. Well, one, this business makes money on its own, so I don't really need to make money in other ways. The YouTube channel makes money by you guys watching the video, so I never expect you guys to buy anything. However, I do have, if you guys look in the videos, right below the video, there's a line of products that are available. We have hoodies, t-shirts, then we have women's tank tops. Those have always been available. They've been available for like the last 2 or 3 years, but I just never pushed them. I did go ahead and lower all the prices, although the prices on YouTube might not reflect what's actually there. If you click on it, you'll get the price that I lowered everything to. The sweatshirts are down to $32.99 and the t-shirts are down to $19.99. It's all handled through Teespring, so when you place your order, it'll get shipped directly to you. There may be a small waiting period just for the print cycle to happen, and then boom, you'll get your shirts. So that is the best way to do it. And if you guys wouldn't mind, if you want to, rock some MorFab merch, go down below the video, right above the description there's a block that has all of the merch in it. So if you guys do buy, I thank you very much. If you guys don't buy, I don't expect you to. So not a huge deal. Just wanted to let you guys know that that stuff is available. Alright guys, so it's not very often that we plug merch on this channel because, you know what, I don't know. I totally forget that we even have it until I see it at the bottom of a video and then it's there. But what I did for you guys is around the holidays, we went ahead and lowered all the prices, and I'm guaranteeing that's why a lot of you guys were not buying them, because who the heck wants to buy a $25 t-shirt? So we went ahead and lowered all the prices. The t-shirts and the tank tops are $19.99 and the hoodies are $32.99. So if any of you guys are watching any of my videos, when you look at the bottom of the video where the comment section is, there is a bar across there that shows all of our merchandise. It is through Teespring. Teespring has been great to us. All the sweatshirts that I wear, all the t-shirts I wear are all from Teespring. So awesome, awesome quality. You get things pretty fast. And if you use rush shipping now and you buy something today, you'll actually get it by Christmas, most likely, depending on where you are in the country. But just a little reminder, we do have merch. We have hoodies, we have t-shirts, and we have tank tops for the ladies. So if you guys want to get on that and order some of that stuff, I'd really appreciate it. Like I said, the quality is amazing and you get it pretty quickly. So go ahead and do that if you so choose. All right, now the last thing that I want to talk about is I want to talk about the shop and where we're at. So this time of year is always difficult for the shop. And if I haven't spoken to you, or if you've called and I haven't answered, or if I have your vehicle here, just know that I'm working my hardest to get everything done. The holidays are always tough normally with shipping and everything else, because all the shipping companies are going crazy trying to get all your Christmas orders to you, and all of the businesses are basically overworked. Now add into that the pandemic and all the crap that's gone on in 2020, and it's making everything doubly as tough. A lot of the stuff that I'm using is on back order. A lot of the stuff is taking, you know, a week and a half to 2 weeks to ship instead of 1 or 2 days. So please guys, just be patient, and we'll get everything done as fast as we possibly can. The beginning of 2021 should be amazing. Once all this crap, shipping wise, the normal, you know, Christmas holiday stuff is done, we'll be able to get things a little bit faster and, you know, get a move on. We've also got the 72 Cutlass here that we're doing an exhaust on. We currently have 4 Jeeps here right now. We're trying to bang through those, and you know, so I can get the rest of you guys who have questioned and sent emails about it in here and get your Jeeps done. And yeah, it's just been crazy. We just put up the second lift. I hope you guys all watched that video. We got that in here, so we're moving right along. We're starting out 2021 hopefully a whole lot better than we ended 2020. And yeah, we'll be doing some cool stuff in 2021 for sure. For sure. So again, congratulations to Nick Lins. Go over to superclean.com and get your super clean stuff. So all right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Congratulations to our winner. If you didn't win, go buy some super clean. Company's great, product is great. I stand behind it 100%. And yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one, which hopefully will be soon. But you know what? If it's not soon, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys all in 2021. Have a good night, everybody.